What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to throw some fertilizer down. Now I've heard some people call this fertilizer as a Milorganite killer. Let's see if it is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my spreader, I'm going to spread one whole bag of Milorganite in a section and an equal amount of the new DIY available of the X-GRN. It's an 818 combination. Here they are. Alright, we got the tried and true trusty Milorganite fertilizer here. 640 analysis, 32 pounds. Great lawn there, Phil. Also, we've got the X-GRN. This is by Carbon Earth. This is the 818 analysis. So the Milorganite has 2.5% iron, and the X-GRN has 4%. Let's see if there's a difference. Alright, so here is the X-GRN. Here is the Milorganite. So, this is almost like a powder. This is more of like a prill. More like the X-GRN is more like a greens grade Milorganite. It's got, like the really tiny pieces like these ones over here. That's more like what the X-GRN is like. So, I've heard lots of good things about it. I guess pay attention to my channel. Go ahead and subscribe to find out the results. We got some storms moving in. I don't know if you can see them or not. See if that tree stays standing, huh? So I'm going to try to work in between the storm showers here, and we'll get this spread down. What I want to do is just, picture a line right here. I'll put the Milorganite down in this area, X-GRN down in this area. Yeah, it's my front yard. No big deal. I don't plan on doing any overseeding this fall. It shouldn't matter, but I know you guys want to see if there's a difference and if this really is the Milorganite killer that others are saying. I also want to throw down, I want to throw down a whole bag in this section here. Is it going to burn it? Well, we know that Milorganite doesn't burn, right? So I'm going to heavy dose of Milo there, heavy dose of X-GRN here. So it comes in a 50-pound bag. I figure let's do, we got what, 20... We got 32 pounds of the Milorganite. I'm going to do 30 pounds of the X-GRN. I could even do 25 pounds, and that'd be fine, because we do have a little bit more nitrogen here than here. So let's get to spreading. That's what she said. Alright, full bag of Milo. Alright, made one pass down and back. I'm going to open it up a little bit more now, and we're going to get the rest of the spread out there before it starts raining again. Alright, here's the X-GRN here. It is much more fine. It's almost like a powder. Definitely has a different smell of success to it than Milorganite. So I believe I got pretty close to 30 pounds here. Let's see what we got. $20, $28, $29. That should be good. All right, 29.28 for all you math nuts. All right, so we'll dump this in. Dial down the spreader settings a little bit because it's a little bit more fine than that. What about a 9? Now, I don't know if any of you guys have heard of that Alan Hain, the lawn care nut guy, but that's where I bought this from, and he says it won't burn. So I figure if we're going to go down heavy, this is going to be a good chance to test that theory out and see if his words are really gospel or not. So I figure, why not try it out on my lawn? See what happens. It's just grass. Alright, so there we have it. 32 pounds of Milo, roughly 30 pounds of X-GRN, all in one small area. If this doesn't burn the lawn, I guess it's safe. Alright, we got that stuff down before it started raining. I can hear the thunder rumbling in the distance. I don't know, maybe you can too. So we got our Milorganite section right here. One whole bag of Milorganite, and roughly what? I don't know, 5 by I think 46. I'll measure it just to make sure, but say 50 feet by 5 feet. And then our whole section of the Carbon Earth X-GRN 818 formula. And grass is looking pretty good. Haven't done anything with it for a while, other than the last Sunday lawn treatment. I don't think that really did anything anyway. We've just gotten a few good rain showers recently, and that's just picked everything right back up. I can already smell the Milo kicking in because it did rain a little bit earlier, so I put it down on wet turf. So we'll see. My wife already just came home and said, "What's that smell?" I said, "I just put some Milorganite down." I don't know. Smells like success to me. All right, we'll give you a shot from the other angle here. So right along the house here is the Milo streak. Right over here, it'll be the X-GRN streak. Ooh, look, mushrooms. Look at that, you can tell in these this bare spot here. The Milo was put on pretty thick. We got like a good coating here. So we'll see what happens. Same with the X-GRN spot. Let's see. I mean, this looks pretty dirty from the biochar. But here you can tell in the spot here, a little bare area. It's just got a coating on it. So let's see what happens. Look at that little KBG stole in there, spreading out. Yeah, there you go, baby. Spread out. Fill that in. Fill it in. All right, so that'll be it for this video. We got both fertilizers put down. We'll see if Milorganite is the X-GRN killer, as Mr. Paul from Paul's Prime Cut says. And we'll also see if the lawn care nut is correct in his email statement saying that X-GRN won't burn. These are pretty extreme conditions. We'll see what happens. I want you to go ahead, subscribe to my channel. Do it right now. I'll wait for you. Click the subscribe button. Good job. Hit that little bell icon right next to it. You'll be notified anytime I upload a video. I got lawn videos, family videos, random videos. They're worth watching. We're above 500 subscribers now, so thanks everyone. We're gonna have a special video coming out soon because of that. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon, leave a comment down below what you think's gonna happen. You think I burned my lawn? I'll do a follow-up video in probably a couple weeks. That way we can see the results and see if I killed my lawn or not. I hope not. Otherwise I will have to buy some more seed and do a fall renovation. You can also follow me on Instagram, Garsjm, Garsjm. I post random photos there as well. It's fun stuff. Follow along and we'll take a look at it. We'll walk down this journey together. Let's have some fun in the lawn again, right? Fun in the yard. I like doing all kinds of things in the yard. You know, we got the pool in the back, got a trampoline for the twins this year. So it's all about getting out in the yard and having fun in it, having a good place to be. So thanks everyone. See you in the next video. I spilled my one big bottle of the seaweed and humic treatment, so I figured I might as well get a bigger bottle. Hopefully I don't spill all that one. Let's get some micro booster here. Thought we could try that out too.